Mom, saying something?
Whoa, bobblehead.
Hi.
Emma. Emma Claire.
Look up, Emma.
Hey, hi. Hi, baby. Oh, let's see. Oh. Hi.
Can you wave, Emma?
What's your smile? Come on. I know it's in there. Whoa. Hi, baby. There you go. Yeah.
Daisy, go lay down.
Hi.